Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to get a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you all so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe but turn notifications on. It's the first 20 people to comment hashtag #ChillFication once you've done that. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make some super cool and easy fidget toys. I'll show you guys how to make a Tangle Fidget, a Pop It Fidget, and some slime. Currently in my slime shop, I'm having a 20% off sale if you use the code SPRING. My slime shop will be linked down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. I can't wait to show you guys how to make these fidgets, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. First up, I'll be showing you guys how to make a Tangle Fidget. Grab some plastic straws, and right here I have this magenta color, green, and yellow. It doesn't really matter how many straws you can take 2, 3, 4, up to you. And now we're going to be cutting up these straws into small pieces. Each of my pieces will be 1.5 millimeters. You don't actually have to measure it, I'm just telling you guys for reference. And now you're just going to cut your straws. So here they are after I cut them up. Now grab 2 rubber bands and then cut them so that they become like a string. Now tie them together. Make sure to tie it very tightly. And then if you do have a lot of excess, just cut it off. I'll start putting on the straws onto the rubber band as if they're beads. Now once you get to the knot area, all you're going to do is you're just going to place the straw over the knot. So try to put the knot into the straw. Just like this, and now the knot is hidden. Now when you get to the other side and need to put your straws on here, I'd recommend folding the rubber band over, then put a piece of tape right there just to make sure that the straws don't come off. Now you can easily do the other side. On each of the sides, make sure to leave a bit of space. Now I'm going to take off the piece of tape from the other side. Once you've taken off the tape, stretch the rubber band out and then push the straws towards each other. And now you should have more space to tie your knot. I'm going to double knot it. Cut off the excess rubber band. And now your fidget is all completed. You can twist around all of the straws. You can also twist it into different shapes. And you can even wear it as a super fun bracelet. This Tangle Fidget was super duper easy to make, and I'd highly recommend making it. Next, I'll be showing you guys how to make a Pop It Fidget. For this, grab a piece of construction paper, and then think of what shape you want your Pop It Fidget to be. I want mine to be in a banana shape. And what better way to draw a banana shape than using an actual banana? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to place a banana onto my paper and trace it. Moment of truth. And there we go, we have a perfect banana. Right here I have a brown marker and I'm just going to color in the tip of the banana. And then also the bottom part. And now we're going to cut this out. And here it is. I'm just quickly going to erase any of the extra pencil markings. Now grab some googly eyes. You can take whatever size you'd like. I'd recommend these medium-sized ones. And decide where you're going to place them, maybe right here. Then grab a glue stick or some glue and put some on the back of the googly eyes. And let's glue it on. It already looks super duper cute. If you want, you can stop right here. To give my Pop-It a little bit extra pizzazz, I'm going to take some yellow pom-poms and glue them on. You guys, look at this. These colors are exactly the same. I'm going to be placing them just like this, and I'm going to take my glue stick and glue them on. Now that I've glued on all of the pom-poms, our fidget toy is all complete. And you can pop the googly eyes. And then the pom-poms give it a really nice texture as well. You guys, I can't. This is so cute. Overall, I really like this fidget and I'd highly recommend making it. Now I'll be showing you guys how to make some slime. Grab a mixing bowl and a mixing utensil. Before making the slime, I'd recommend washing your hands just so the slime doesn't stick to you as much. You'll need some white school glue. I'm using the brand Elmer's, but you don't have to use Elmer's. And now you're going to pour some in. This is just the gallon version of the school glue. The amount of glue that you put is the amount of slime you'll get. Then grab some lotion and put in 2 pumps. And now just stir that up. Grab some shaving cream or shaving gel, shake it up, and then add some in. This will make your slime nice and fluffy. Now I'm just going to mix that in. You guys, look how cool this looks. Now you can add in some food coloring, but I'm not going to add it in just yet. Then you will need some borax activator or contact lens solution. To make the borax activator, you will need 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of borax powder, and then you're just going to dissolve those 2 ingredients together. I just poured my borax solution into this squeeze bottle. Then you are just going to add in a few squirts, and then mix that in. You should see it start to clump together. Add in a little bit more. It looks like marshmallow fluff. I'm going to keep adding an activator until the slime starts pulling away from the sides of your bowl. Once your slime gets to this state where it's kind of not sticking to the bowl anymore that much, you're going to take it out of the bowl and start kneading it with your hands. My slime is sticking to me, so I'm just going to add in a little bit more of borax and knead that in. Now my slime is ready, and you know once it's ready, when it is not sticking to you and you can poke it. Now, just to make it extra fancy, I'm going to split the slime into 2 halves, and I'm going to dye one of them blue. Right here I have some blue food coloring, and I'm going to add in a few drops. So satisfying. Now I'm going to put each of the slimes side by side and we'll make a swirl. And now I'm going to decorate it with some super sparkly blue glitter. And I have these really cute heart sprinkles. I'll add them on as well. You guys, this slime looks absolutely gorgeous. Now we'll mix this all together. You guys, it's so stretchy. This slime is super fun to play with. It makes really nice pokes, crunches, and pops. The slime was super easy and fun to make, so I'd highly recommend it. Here are all the fidgets we made today. Right here we have the Tangle Fidget, the Pop It Banana Fidget. This one is so cute. And the slime. All of these fidget toys are super cool and fun to make. Comment down below which one was your favorite and which one you will be trying out. My favorite is probably the Banana Pop-It. It is just so cute, and I love how the pom-poms match the color. Make sure to check out my other DIY fidget toy videos. They will all be linked down below in the description box. So that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and it'd be super duper awesome if you'd subscribe. Check out my slime shop, it'll be linked down below in the description box, and use the code SPRING to get 20% off your order. I love y'all so much, and I will see you in my next video.